Your phone shoots potatoes. Upgrade to the Zoom Q2n-4K and film like a rockstar. Without the ego. You're pouring your heart into music, but your videos look like they were filmed on a microwave. Whether you're live streaming gigs, posting to YouTube, or capturing rehearsals, the results are shaky, grainy, and downright embarrassing. Smartphones compress your passion into potato-quality pixels. Crappy webcams can't handle stage lights. Built-in mics distort your masterpiece into mush. The more you create, the more frustrating it gets. Every clip screams meh instead of legend. You work too hard for content that looks like an afterthought. Tired of wasting time fighting your gear instead of creating magic? Yeah, you're not the problem, your gear is. Each failed recording piles on the stress. One more blown out light, distorted solo, or muted livestream, and you're ready to throw your setup out the window. Your creativity is trapped behind subpar tools, suffocating under crushing deadlines and lost inspiration. And let's not even talk about setting up 3 apps, 2 converters, and praying your mic input doesn't glitch. Every tech hiccup eats away at your focus, and every missed moment is one you can't get back. This isn't just frustrating, it's burnout on fast forward. You didn't start making music to become a full-time troubleshooting technician. Something has to change, fast. Meet the Zoom Q2n-4K, your backstage pass to buttery 4K visuals and pro-grade sound, without needing a film school diploma. It's built for musicians, streamers, and creators who refuse to settle. A 150 degrees wide-angle lens, f2.8, captures every detail, every vibe, every move, while the built-in XY stereo mic's record-rich, crystal-clear audio up to 24-bit/96 kHz. Lighting nightmare? Its 12 scene presets and HDR tech adapt to jazz clubs, outdoor gigs, neon nightmares, you name it. Use it as a live stream webcam, podcast recorder, or stage cam. Just point, aim, record, and boom, you're making content that actually sounds and looks like you. Forget clunky setups and janky hacks. With the Zoom Q2n-4K, you go from idea to legendary footage in one button press. You'll capture your solo act or full band with ease using 5 field of view settings. Stream directly to Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch with flawless audio. Monitor everything in real time through the LCD screen and headphone jack. Playback? Just hook it to your TV via micro HDMI and relive the magic in stunning 4K. Record directly to micro SD, up to 256 gigabytes of non-stop genius. Whether you're riffing, rapping, or raging on stage, this cam's got your back and your best angles. It's time to stop winging it with bargain bin gear. Don't let your masterpiece drown in garbage visuals or sketchy sound. The Zoom Q2n-4K is your all-access pass to creating without compromise. Whether you're a solo bedroom artist or a full-throttle stage warrior, this is your tool to rise above the noise, literally. Ready to ditch the drama and hit record like a pro? Then don't wait. Level up your content. Claim your camera. Dominate your feed. Elevate your live shows. Get the Zoom Q2n-4K now and show the world what next-level creativity really looks and sounds like. Let's roll.